Welcome to Redline Review. The 2026 Range Rover Motorhome enters a new market, the ultra-premium motorhome experience, combining Land Rover's renowned off-road capabilities and British luxury. This model, which combines all-terrain confidence with a 5-star mobile living area, is made for adventurers who want excitement without sacrificing first-class comfort. Capability and performance. This motorhome maintains its real off-road capabilities while providing outstanding road comfort thanks to its modified long-wheelbase Range Rover foundation. Available engine options include a 4.4-liter twin-turbo V8, 523 horsepower, and a 3.0-liter E6 plug-in hybrid, PHEV, with an electric range of up to 60 miles. Terrain response 2 and all-wheel drive AWD powertrain. Transmission, automatic 8-speed, off-road features, ground clearance, up to 11.6 inches with air suspension. Towing capacity, up to 7,700 pounds. Weight sensing, all-terrain progress control, and hill descent control. The ride stays smooth and safe, whether you're driving coastal routes or via mountain passes. Living space inside. In remote areas, the 2026 Range Rover Motorhome offers the conveniences of a boutique hotel. Area of residence, 50-inch UHD Smart TV with Meridian 3D surround audio. Power privacy screens and ambient mood lighting. Fold-out work table with integrated minibar. Panoramic roof above lounge area with electrochromic glass. 2 leather reclining lounge chairs with massage and heat functions. Bedroom features include a custom memory foam queen bed with a headboard engraved with the Range Rover logo, soft close cabinets and modular storage sections, dual zone climate control for the sleeping area, and an optional pop-out extension for extra space. Kitchenette features include a fold-away countertop for prep space, a small induction stove and microwave combo, refrigerator, freezer drawers, and a sink with filtered water. High-end wood and metal finishes are also included. Technology and smart features in the bathroom. Fully enclosed wet bath with rainfall shower. Eco toilet with black water management system. Heated mirror and towel rail. Ventilated skylight and automatic lighting. The entertainment system of the Range Rover. PV Pro with motorhome extension. 5G Wi-Fi hotspot with streaming capabilities. Voice-activated cabin controls, lighting, blinds, media, etc. Lithium-ion battery, bank-powered solar charging roof panels, integration of mobile apps, remote climate preparation, and smart entrance safety and help for drivers. 360-degree surround camera system with off-road view, driver fatigue monitoring and trailer assistance, emergency braking, adaptive cruise control, and lane keep assist, cabin fire, gas, and CO2 detection systems, market target designed for remote working professionals and digital nomads, luxury adventure seekers, overland travelers seeking refinement on the road, eco-conscious luxury shoppers, PHEV variant. The estimated price ranges from $450,000 to $700,000, contingent on the off-grid capabilities, finishing, and drivetrain.